Welcome to HVAC for Dummies. I'm here with
Melvin.
and together we're A&A Heating and Air.
Air.
You're located in the Little Rock area, North Little Rock or surrounding areas, Arkansas. Y'all give us a call if we can't help you. Today we're going to be dealing with an issue that you're not going to be able to solve on your own. We got a call. The guy says, hey look, the guy that lives in my rental house is trying to put Freon in the unit, but it's too weak to take it. That's just not the case here, guys. Look at here. Look. This is a 22 system. We have 125 on the low, and we have 150 on the high. This is with the compressor running. The compressor is supposed to be pumping right now. You're not going to get Freon to go in this unit if it's equalized at 125. This compressor's bad. This is one of them deals when you have to put gauges on a unit. What should you do?
Call somebody that can do it right.
Because you ain't going to get it right, people. When it comes to Freon, this isn't for you. We're going to get a hold of this guy. He's going to have to replace this coil and condenser. Unfortunately, this guy has had a bunch of bad luck on his rental properties. Gerald, if you're listening, I'm sorry. Hey, look, we're going to come to you with our next one. Appreciate y'all.